Welcome back to the channel. Oliver's musical genius in search of the perfect jam. This is the channel where I practice for at least 10 minutes on every single video as I progress towards 10,000 hours of public practicing. This video is brought to you by GetYaSomeProductions.com, my music production company and podcast. This video is also brought to you by GetYaSomeGuitar.com, my guitar lesson website. Links in the description for all that junk. I'm going to be playing a song that I think the working title is the word fine. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the song is. And actually, I've been playing it in A. Actually, technically it's in E. Technically it's in E, but it starts on the 4 chord. So I've been playing it in E, but it's a little bit too high for me. So I'm going to see if I can play it in G, but I'm worried. So, anyway, I have a lick in the song like that, and I'm afraid it's going to sound too much like Over the Hills and Far Away if I play it in G. But who cares? Let's try it. And if I get through the song, I will put my Donner triple looper on and jam to it. A soldier swims through crimson tides, unarmed, unprepared. What brings us new into this world in need of repair? This battlefield is filled with souls sincere and naked. A cell is destined to be everything you make I knew exactly who I was, but I wasn't much. Now I'm much more, but worse and worn. I lean on my crutch. When you run through life, you can see that face behind you. The future takes, make no mistakes. The race reminds you. Too much like it. Maybe I need to do something